Kato, this crank.
Put that cash on his head, I'm coming to get him. I'm hanging with Reba, you know she get with. I was just in that car trying to tie me a bitch. When you blowing that black guy, top of that pick, they come in fully. They come in fully, I leave shit shake. Every time I go, they block, them niggas be break. I'm young and I'm out, but they know how I come. I be jamming like shit, but you know I ain't bump. On feet when that drink get the rolling, it sounding like thunder. They hang around me, you ain't putting on none. I be hanging around killers, they get on your bump. If I call little blow, better get on your bump. The blow ain't one, but I'm blowing my gun. You having that cash, put your ass in the trunk. Promoting the killing, I'm turning the young niggas up. I rock for the young niggas, blowing they guns. Ain't speak on them creek, cause them niggas ain't none. All I can say is I'm smoking on glitz. Got left in that. He got left in that whip cause he kept on this. Concrete face got left on the sport. I'm cut or we really be up in the school. Cut out again that beer every time I ain't doing no star. Up in that gun ain't doing no bra. I was 3 in the morning, his ass got bad. Don't think cause I'm little that this shit sweet. You buck on this moolah, your ass in the pad. Fuck about your age, my gun a grown man. I'm 5 foot young and I'm tall, so fix it. Go up the T, try to catch us a quick. You ain't hear about us, we be giving out facelifts. That black get the road and shit automatic on toe shit basic. Time on the block, got his gun in my dick. It comes around way, I bet you can stop. His ass like he live his ass in the car. His ass ain't even made it back to the block. But fuck all that, nigga free double lock. Niggas know how we get, niggas know how we rock. Nigga free little Rick, nigga free little talk. Nigga free little Rick, he can vouch for this shit. I was blowing 27, I was praying I ain't miss. He was blowing that Drake shit going through bricks. Put that cash on his head, I'm coming to get him. I'm hanging with Reba, you know she get wicked. I was just in that car trying to tie me a bitch. When I'm blowing that black guy, top of that pick, they come in fully. They come in fully, I leave shit shake. Every time I go, they block them niggas. When I'm blowing that black guy, top of that pick, they come in fully. They come in fully, I leave shit shake. Every time I go, they block them niggas. When I'm blowing that black guy, top of that pick, they come in fully. They come in fully, I leave shit shake. Every time I go, they block them niggas be break. I'm young and I'm out, they know how I come. I be driving like shit, but you know I ain't bump. No feet when that drink get the rolling, it sounding like thunder. They hang around me, ain't putting on none. I be hanging around killers, they get on your bump. If I call little blow, better get on your bumper.
Get on your line. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue. Glock 2, Glock 3, Glock 4, 5, chopper 6, chopper 7, chopper blue.
That black sound.
Kato, this crank.
The car with that glizzy in it. I really did shit, gotta keep me a stick. These niggas, they know when they see me, they nick. Almost down me a nigga for bending the mix. Put his ass on the head, he was running his lip. When we go on this move, you better hop out the whip. You don't hop out the whip, then I'm taking your glitch.